Hello to the best audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make a dish called Ghapama, which is an Armenian national dish. For that we need pumpkin, we need some dried fruit and different types of nuts and some raisins. For the beginning, all you have to do is cutting down those different types of dried fruits into small pieces. This is a very tasty recipe and needs a little bit of effort, but we hope you will like it. Cut down also the walnuts and other types of nuts that you have under your hands. Make sure you cut them into small pieces. Repeat it with that with every type of nut that you have. And whenever done, we need to cook them a little bit in the olive oil. So turn on the gas, put some olive oil into the pan, and let's add the different types of nuts and then the dried fruit onto them. Cook them a little bit. Add also the raisins here. Continually mix all of this together, and you can add a little bit of sugar to all of this. 2 tablespoons may be enough, and you can add some water. Whenever this is done, add the already boiled rice to this mixture and add 1 teaspoon of salt, little bit of cinnamon to this. Mix all of this together properly. Seems to be tasty, right? And it is tasty, in fact. And whenever done, we'll go on with cutting down the pumpkin and seeing which part of it we are going to use. In fact, we don't need the top, so we are going to cut it down. Here it is, the part that we need. Clean the inside of it. And whenever done, make some holes with the help of the fork so that the pumpkin will be totally cooked. Let's add a little bit of sugar inside the pumpkin. And whenever it is ready, you can start and fill it up with the ingredients that we have, with the mixture that we have just prepared. Whenever done, add a little bit of hot water to this, a boiled water, and some butter to the top of it. Here it is. Close it and let it be cooked in the oven. Whenever done, you'll be ready to open it up and try this amazing dish, which is called Ghapama. It is an amazing one. It's very tasty, and we hope you will like it and will share this recipe with your friends and you'll make it at home. Voila, it is ready to be tasted. We hope you like it. Good appetite!